If you've ever lived in Australia for a few years, you'll probably have noticed our dramatic shifts in weather. Rains and floods one year, followed by droughts and heatwaves the next. One of the dominant forces in our climate is a global weather phenomenon called ENSO, the El Nino Southern Oscillation. You may not have heard of this mouthful before, but you're probably familiar with the two extreme weather events it produces, an El Nino or a La Nina. In Spanish, El Nino translates to the boy child. La Nina means the girl child. During an El Nino, the waters in the central and eastern Pacific Ocean become warmer than normal. The opposite effect happens in the west, where the waters around Western Australia become cooler than average. These changes in ocean temperature are accompanied by fluctuations in the atmosphere. So here in Australia, the eastern states experience hot, parched conditions. El Nino events are often linked to severe droughts and a fall in crop production. On the opposite end of the spectrum is a La Nina. When one of these form, the central and eastern Pacific Ocean becomes cooler than average, while the water in the western Pacific warms. As a result, clouds and heavy rain often descend on northern Australia. Remember the severe flooding across large parts of Queensland in the summer of 2011? That billion-dollar disaster occurred during a La Nina. The Bureau of Meteorology determines whether we're experiencing an El Nino or a La Nina, or just average conditions, using a measurement called the Southern Oscillation Index. This calculates the changes in air pressure between Tahiti and Darwin. The El Nino-La Nina cycle is a natural part of the globe's climate, but there's a growing body of evidence that suggests it may become more irregular as the planet warms.